In this video, you'll learn how to add multiple sizes in eBay listings. By following these steps, you will be able to create a more streamlined shopping experience for your customers, allowing them to choose their preferred sizes easily. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the selling section, which can typically be found in the main menu. From there, look for the option to create a new listing for the product you intend to sell. Enter a clear and descriptive product title that reflects the item. Next, select the appropriate category for your product, as this helps potential buyers find your listing more effectively. If your product supports variations such as clothing or shoes, eBay will provide options to add different attributes. While you are in the process of creating the listing, locate the variation section within the listing form. This is an essential step as it enables you to offer multiple variations for your product. Activate the option that allows for multiple variations. In this case, select size as one of the variation types. You will need to enter all the available sizes you want to offer. For each size, you can also provide additional details such as quantity, price, and SKU if necessary. By utilizing variations, you keep all sizes organized under a single product page, which simplifies the shopping experience for buyers. After you have entered all the size variations, it is crucial to review the listing details thoroughly before publishing. Ensure that each size has the correct price and available quantity. It is also important to check that the product description and images accurately represent the item you are selling. This attention to detail can help reduce returns and improve customer satisfaction. Once you're satisfied with the listing, proceed by clicking the List Item button to publish the product. Once your product is listed, buyers will be able to see the size options when they view your listing. This functionality makes it straightforward for customers to select the size they need without confusion. Keep in mind that having multiple sizes in your listing can attract more potential buyers as it caters to a wider audience with varying preferences. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.